Well, I just had surgery today. Hiatal hernia repair and gastric sleeve revision to Roux NY or bypass. I had it done around 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. and it is now just past midnight, about 12:45 a.m. I am in a lot of pain, like a lot of pain, and nothing is seeming to help. But I've got up and I've taken 3 walks so far, pretty substantial size walks, and I think I'm going to make it. Here is to yet another lifestyle change for the better. All of you out there, stay healthy, stay happy, and stay my friends. I don't know what else to say, but honestly, I love you all, and thank you for supporting me.